Hi friends, welcome to day 54 of 180 days mains challenge. We have taken up a challenge to cover the entire main syllabus in 180 days. We have already covered general studies paper 3. We have started with general studies paper 4 yesterday. So today's topic from general studies for paper 4 is dimension of ethics. Guys, let us see this PYQ. Before you attempt this PYQ, go through my mains master notes. You can see in the mains master notes I have covered the dimension of ethics. Guys, let us start. So what is meant by environmental ethics? Why it is important to study, discuss any environmental issue from viewpoint of environmental ethics? Guys, this is a very important topic because these days environmental issues are becoming very important. So what I have done is that I have defined environmental ethics is ethics concerning relationship between humans and nature. Okay, this is what is environmental ethics. It basically stresses about humans obligation towards nature. Okay, so you can see I have drawn this diagram also. Human, nature and duty, this is called environmental ethics. Environmental ethics have various dimensions: sustainability, conservation, coexistence and environmental centric view of the world. Okay, now the second part of the question, why environmental ethics is important for study. First, it strengthens sustainable development. Guys, these days we are talking about sustainable development. The foundation of sustainable development is environmental ethics. Second, guys, climate justice. Nowadays climate change is an existential threat, and one of the main arguments to tackle climate change is environmental justice or climate justice, where the poor people are given justice because they are not responsible for climate change. Next is to remove the anthropocentric bias which is there in environmental policy making. Now the second part of the question, you can see here, the second part of the question says that discuss one environmental issue from ethics point of view. So I have taken this climate change issue. Here I have discussed the intergenerational equity issue of climate change and intragenerational equity issue of climate change. Guys, because of climate change there is intergenerational equity problem because the present generation is responsible for future generation problems. Similarly, guys, intragenerational, which is basically within the generation, between the poor and the rich, between the developed and the developing countries. I have discussed about these issues. This is very important. You can use this for any answer on environment related ethics questions, particularly for climate change. Guys, in the end I have given some conclusion that environmental ethics is very important for achieving sustainable development goals.